Okay guys, got an old LG TV here. I believe the HDMI board's gone. So I've got two inputs plugged into it. I've got the Xbox and the PC. It's dead. It says no signal, but the Xbox does give me a very faint, almost blurred picture. If I swap the ports around, there's nothing on the PC and then nothing on the Xbox, so it's definitely something wrong with the TV. If I go to coaxial, if I go to the antenna, it works fine. So it must be the HDMI board that's gone. I'm going to get the TV off the stand, I'm going to get it apart, see what I can do. Okay guys, I've got the back of the TV off. I've isolated the board, found the board. So it's an LG 42 CS460. It's got to be 10 years old, 12 years old, this TV. It's been a great TV, it's been faultless. The coaxial did work, the HDMI port didn't. So I'm guessing the fault is somewhere on this board. Disconnected it all. I'm going to take it into the garage and I'm going to heat it up. Very similar to what they do by putting them in the oven. It's not going to be a long-term fix. It's going to be a very short-term fix. But I have found one of these boards on eBay, £41. If I can get it going for a month, get the board ordered, make a sneaky bid in of £30 or something like that. And yeah, see if I can get it going. Okay, so I've got the board in the garage and I'm going to apply most of the heat to that chip there. I am going to heat the whole board up though. I'm not going to do it too hot. Yeah, let's see if this works. Right, in a minute. Sadly guys, heating up the board did not work. This is the old board. Yep. There's me cat. No trumping, Franco. No trumping. The new board I got for £21. Apparently it came from a TV that had a cracked screen. So, really simple to get into the back of these TVs, guys. About 10 screws around the outside, three or so in the middle. There's no guarantee this will fix this, but for £21 I thought I'd give it a try. That was off eBay, delivered. The board is ever so slightly. It says barcode there. Mine says barcode there. Came from the same TV, so worth a try. Also, I found a manufacturing date of 2012, so it's 8 years old. It's done well if this doesn't work, but fingers crossed. Old board is out. New board is in. Boom, £21. And obviously done my bit for the environment today as well, because that TV would have normally been scrapped, recycled. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. So you know what to do if you've got faulty ports on your LG TV. Replace this board, go on eBay, get your serial code, I'm assuming there, and the code off the back of the TV. Yep, find the board, replace the board, save the planet, save yourself some money. Give it a like. Thanks for watching, guys.